You see, Noah Lyles is always trying to make a fool of himself. Noah Lyles is always trying to pick on Jamaicans. And Jamaicans will pick back on Noah Lyles. No, Noah Lyles took a shot. He took a job at Oblique just the other day. Said the man nervous. Said the man a shake like leaf. Make the man look like a fraud, just because him feels that him faster than Oblique. Oblique always a lose to Noah Lyles, Oh, that man is shaking in his boots. Oh, that man this, that man that. I saw Noah Lyles attack about the man, and I style the man, A big bumbleclad style, the man a style Oblique, Only to come to it, the finals is here. The finals is here, and he thinks that he has this race in the bag. You have Kishian Thompson in there, you have Noah Lyles in there, and then you also have Oblique. But the man, for some reason, he throw shades at Oblique, and I don't know why. Then boom, the race finally kick off. Noah Lyles, basically, the man nearly come fourth to Bumbleclad. The man nearly come fourth. Me don't know what happened to the youth the forward here. Number one, him panic round Jamaicans. Me don't know if him afraid. To me, him get so scared lately because him a try to always come first, because him knows that anyhow him lose, the Jamaicans them are gonna come for him. And this is what's happening. Get scared and lose the race, This is for Noah Lyles. There's nothing that you do that you will ever be able to really come at a Jamaican. Because when you come for Jamaican people, the whole Jamaica come for you. Noah Lyles, let me tell you something. Jamaica is a smaller country than America. And Jamaicans will come and defend what you say about them more than how Americans will come and defend what we say about you. Noah Lyles, lesson learned. Oblique, teach you a lesson. And also, so did Kishian Thompson. This is Raw Talk with T-Dog. Like and share, subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon.